Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. La ilaha illa anta subhanaka inni kuntu minaz zalimin. Welcome to class 7th. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you? I hope you are safe. Today we are going to start our first class of geography. This is the title of your geography book of class 7th. Open your books at page number 36, Oceans. Unit number 3, Oceans. Look at the text, Oceans and Seas. Total area of the surface of the earth covered by water is 71%. The portion of the water area is further subdivided into 5 oceans. Total area of the surface of the earth is covered by water. It means that almost 71% of our total area is covered with water. We, for our convenience, further divided this 71% of our area into 5 oceans. Here you can see the diagram of the oceans. Now the question is, what is ocean? Oceans are huge bodies of salt water surrounding by the continents. It means oceans are the saltish water that stretches along the continents, or we can say a large body of water that is saline. Saline means the saltish water. Now it is very important to understand why oceans are important. Oceans are important because they are great sources of food, that is fish, lobster, shrimps. Valuable minerals like natural gas and crude oil are also obtained from the ocean beds. They also provide cheapest mean of transportation. Moreover, Earth's climate is also affected by them. This is the diagram of the oceans. Look at the diagram carefully. This one is the Pacific Ocean. It stretches along the North America to the South America, then it comes toward the Southern Ocean and goes along the Australia and Asia. This is the first largest ocean of the world. The second ocean is Atlantic Ocean. The third one is the Indian Ocean. The fourth is the Southern, and the fifth is the Arctic, the smallest ocean. Major oceans. The earth is divided into 5 different oceans. For many years, only 4 oceans were officially recognized. In 2000, the International Hydrographic Organization established the Southern Ocean. The 5 oceans are as follows: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic, Indian, Southern and Arctic Ocean. Now we can see the detail of the Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the world's largest ocean. Its area is almost 156 square kilometer. It is bordered by North and South America, Asia, Australia and Southern Ocean. Its average depth is almost 4,000 meters. Its deepest point is Mariana Trench, which is 10,924 meters deep. Thousands of islands of different sizes are located in Pacific Ocean. The second largest ocean is Atlantic Ocean. Its area is 77 million square kilometer. It is bounded by Europe and Africa in the east and by North and South America in the west. In the south, it is bounded by the Southern Ocean. Its average depth is almost 4,000 meters. Its deepest point is Puerto Rico Trench and it is 8,600 meter deep. The third ocean is Indian Ocean. Its area is almost 69 million square kilometer. It is situated between Africa, Asia, Australia and the Southern Ocean. Its average depth is 3,900 meters. Its deepest point is Java Trench of 300 kilometer off the coast of Sumatra, Indonesia. It is 7,258 meters deep. The fourth, the newest ocean is the Southern Ocean. It occupies an area between 60 degrees southern latitude and the coast of Antarctica. Its area is about 20 million square kilometer. Its average depth is 4,500 meters. Its deepest point is about 7,235 meters deep. The last, Arctic Ocean, is the smallest ocean in the world. Its area is about 14 million square kilometer. It is situated around the North Pole and bounded by Europe, Asia and North America. Its average depth is 1200 meter. Its deepest point is Fram Basin, which is 4665 meters deep. Students, these are different oceans of the world. I hope you all have understood all this information about the oceans. If you have any query about this topic, you can ask me. Thank you.